Some moments of quiet, moments of silence and stillness are necessary for you today, dear Virgo. It's the depth that you're able to access and reach in these moments of silence and stillness, these deliberate moments of quiet. And sometimes you could go and sit on a chair somewhere for a minute and a half and just go into what feels quiet. And what that means is you're removing your attention from all the mental noise, the mental chaos, all the decisions, ideas, and all the things that you think you have to do. The things that you think you have to do are what cause or create so much confusion and also create a lot of chaos for you mentally, which then creates a very stressed body. So the opportunity for you today is to create moments of quiet, silence and stillness to give your body the opportunity to de-stress as much as possible. Give your body the opportunity to be as calm and deeply relaxed as possible. From that space, decisions are very clear. From that space, you're no longer operating from emotion. And so when you're no longer operating from emotion and high emotion, then you're able to respond rather than react to whatever it is that may be going on for you in your life at the moment.